Hi guys, today we're going to be diving into running a local language model on macOS using the PicoLLM Node SDK. Please start by ensuring you have node.js and npm installed on your computer. If not, please head to the official website to download and install them. Next, you're going to want to go to the Pico Voice console and retrieve your access key. From there, you also want to go to PicoLLM and download the Llama 3-8b file. This model will serve as the backbone of our local LLM. Now, with everything downloaded, let's set up our project. Create a new node.js project, install the npm package, as well as create a file. I've named mine index.js. In index.js, we want to bring our local LLM to life. Initialize the PicoLLM with your access key as well as your model path. You're going to want to specify a prompt. In ours, I'm going to do Toronto is, and set up a completion token limit just to keep our response concise. Additionally, we can use a callback to print the output tokens in real time as they are generated by the LLM engine, providing a smoother user experience, but for the sake of our demo, I'm going to print it out all at once. Run the script using nodeindex.js, and after a few moments, you'll see our local LLM generate a completion based on the prompt. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you successfully run a local LLM on macOS using the PicoLLM Node SDK.